What's up guys, iTechTalk here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get iOS 14 Beta 1 on your device. So all you have to do is go to Safari, search betaprofiles.com, and you can see they have all the operating systems that were announced yesterday at WWDC. So if you just scroll down a bit, you can see that you have the download page here. So you press download, and so it will come up with a pop-up saying ignore or allow, and so you want to press allow, and so therefore that will come up in the settings menu. You will see around just up there, usually around between here and here, you'll see a pop-up saying do you want to download the latest version of iOS, and you just click yes, and then you'll have to go to software updates. Usually it will come up in there. So as I said, all you have to do is go to betaprofiles.com. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Let me know how your experience has been with it. So far, it's been pretty good, although some battery life problems. But I really like the new widgets, new wallpapers, new Siri, and so much more to look at. So I'll see you all in the next video.